Hi, we're Paperflip, and we make filing and reporting on your sales contracts within Salesforce dead simple. Keeping track of contracts in Salesforce is not easy. Simple questions such as, which opportunities are missing an executed contract? Which customers of ours did we promise special support terms? Or even, what is a summary of the terms that were negotiated with this customer are not easy to answer and are typically tracked by manual, error-prone data entry. We built Paperflip for Salesforce as the solution. Paperflip does three things. First, we will analyze your current Salesforce org, allowing you to search and report on all existing contracts that are in your attachments or Salesforce files. Second, we'll extract key terms, such as payment terms or non-standard clauses, and keep that information synced with your Salesforce fields. Lastly, we make it super simple for sales ops to integrate Paperflip into the sales workflow and automatically extract out all the important information for any net new closed opportunities. Let's see how it works. Here's an example of an organization where I've already installed Paperflip and I've already analyzed the organization's attachments and files. There are 21 contracts, and I can click here to see them at paperflip.com. You can see that each of the contracts has its associated opportunity information. This means you can search for contracts by the opportunity fields themselves as well as the text within the document. For instance, if I know a contract has the name Haroldson in it and I want it to have at least $12,000 and a non-standard auto-renew terms, I can run that query and get my result. Clicking on the PDF allows me to further inspect the information in the contract. For instance, if I want to jump straight to the non-standard auto-renew term, I can see it right there. Further, I can click here for more information to see exactly how it was edited from the standard clause. Also, I can see where various portions of product information are stored in the contract as well. All documents are OCR'd by default, so you can search on scanned contracts too. It's also really simple to get back to the original opportunity by clicking on the link in the card. But how does all this work exactly? Well, let's see what happens when we go to a newly closed-won opportunity. Paperflip lets your sales team stay in Salesforce, meaning you can import a contract from DocuSign or just drag and drop it in from your computer. Paperflip uses prior examples to analyze the contract and extract out all the key terms. When it's finished, you can give the page a refresh and see that Paperflip has saved into the corresponding opportunity fields the information from the contract. Once again, you can click through to visually inspect where Paperflip found the information in the contract. For instance, certain product terms. And in this case, the auto-renew clause was standard, however, indemnification was not. Clicking through, we can see that it was heavily edited. Also, the termination clause was non-standard, but with only a small edit made to it. So how does Paperflip know how to do this? Well, let's assume we need to track the marketing terms found in 9.1. I can highlight it directly on the document, assign it to the corresponding opportunity field, and give it the right options for Paperflip to start tracking this. In future contracts, we should be able to pull this information out. Let's try this really quickly on a new closed-won opportunity, upload the contract, and see that I was able to pull out the marketing terms. Jumping right to it, we can see that it's tracked it and found the small change that makes it non-standard. We can also apply this learning in bulk to historical contracts, making backfills of data extremely easy. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at hello@paperflip.com.